Dear students, welcome to my 6th class on Module 3, Z transforms and difference equations. In this lecture video, we're going to discuss about inverse Z transforms, problems on inverse Z transforms by using partial fractions method. What is inverse Z transform? If Z transform of f of n is equal to f of z, then this f of n is called the inverse Z transform of f of z. It is given by Z inverse of f of z is equal to f of n. Okay, some important inverse Z transform formulas here. The first formula is Z inverse of z by z minus 1 is equal to 1. So already we know that, right? Z transform of 1 will be equal to z by z minus 1. So therefore Z inverse of z by z minus 1 will be equal to 1. Same thing here also. So Z transform of a power n will be z by z minus a. So now Z inverse of z by z minus a will be a power n. Third one, Z transform of n is z by z minus 1 whole square. Similarly, Z inverse of z by z minus 1 whole square will be equal to n. So next one is Z inverse of z by z minus a whole square. This is n into a power n minus 1. Z inverse of z by z minus a whole cube. This is n into n minus 1 into a power n minus 1 divided by n minus 2 by 2 factorial. And Z inverse of z square by z square plus a square. This is a power n cos n pi by 2. And Z inverse of z by z square plus a square will be equal to a power n minus 1 sin n pi by 2. So all these basic Z inverse formulas will be applying in solving the problems. Okay, now problems on Z transforms by using partial fractions method. So the first problem is find the Z inverse of the following equations. That is Z inverse of 10 by z, z square minus 3z plus 2. Second problem is Z inverse of z cube by z minus 1 whole square into z minus 2. Third one is Z inverse of z square by z plus 2 z square plus 4. Fourth one is the Z inverse of 4z square minus 2z by z minus 1 z minus 2 whole square. Fifth one is Z inverse of z by z minus 1 z minus 2. Sixth one is Z inverse of z square plus z by z minus 1 into z square plus 1. So we'll solve one by one. So to find Z inverse of 10z by z square minus 3z plus 2. Okay, so first take the equation f of z. So here this f of z will be 10z by z square minus 3z plus 2, or expanding this z square minus 3z plus 2, we got 10z divided by z minus 1 into z minus 2. So this z I am taking to LHS. So we got f of z by z is equal to 10 by z minus 1 z minus 2. So now I am going to expand only this RHS part for the partial fractions method. So take 10 by z minus 1 z minus 2 is equal to a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 2. So taking LCM over here, so we got 10 is equal to a into z minus 2 plus b into z minus 1. So now I'll replace z is equal to 1 in this equation. So we'll be getting what 10 is equal to a minus a here if z is equal to 1, and this will become 0. So we got a is equal to minus 10. Similarly, to make a 0, I'm going to replace z is equal to 2 over here. So we got 10 is equal to 0 into b, so b will be equal to 10. So now this a is equal to minus 10 and b is equal to 10. I'm going to replace in this equation. So we got 10 by z minus 1 z minus 2 will be equal to minus 10 by z minus 1 plus 10 by z minus 2, or 10 by z minus 1 z minus 2 will be equal to, by taking the 10 common factor, 1 by z minus 2 minus 1 by z minus 1 we got. Therefore this is nothing but actually what f of z by z is equal to 10 into 1 by z minus 2 minus 1 by z minus 1, or f of z is equal to 10 into z by z minus 2 minus z by z minus 1. So now for this equation I am going to apply inverse Z transform on both the sides. So we got Z inverse of f of z is equal to 10 into Z inverse of z by z minus 2 minus z by z minus 1. So therefore f of n will be equal to 10 into Z inverse of z by z minus 2 minus z inverse of z by z minus 1. This will be equal to 2 power n, and this is 1 only. So we got f of n is equal to 10 into 2 power n minus 1 is the required solution. Problem number 2, find the Z inverse of z cube by z minus 1 whole square into z minus 2. So same thing here also. So first take the equation as f of z. So f of z is equal to, we have z cube by z minus 1 whole square into z minus 2. So one z term I am shifting to LHS. So we got f of z by z is equal to z square by z minus 1 whole square into z minus 2. So now expanding this equation in terms of partial fractions method. So what will be getting? Z square by z minus 1 whole square into z minus 2 will be equal to a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 1 whole square plus c by z minus 2 for this equation. So we got, by taking LCM, we got z square into a into z minus 1 z minus 2 plus b into z minus 2 plus c into z minus 1 whole square. So now to find the value of b, I'm going to make a and c 0 by replacing z is equal to 1. So we got 1 is equal to a into 0, b into minus 1 plus c into 0. We got b is equal to minus 1. Now to make a and c 0, sorry, a and b 0, I'll be replacing z is equal to 2. So what we got? 4 is equal to a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c into 1. So we got c is equal to 4. Now to find the value of a, so take only the z square coefficients in equation. So we got 1 is equal to a plus c is the equation here. A will be equal to 1 minus c. So 1 minus 4 is the value of a, that is a is equal to minus 3. So now incorporate all this ABC value in the equation. That is z square by z minus 1 whole square into z minus 2 is equal to minus 3 by z minus 1 plus minus 1 by z minus 1 whole square plus 4 by z minus 2. Or f of z by z is equal to minus 3 by z minus 1 plus minus 1 by z minus 1 whole square plus 4 by z minus 2. So taking z to RHS, we got f of z is equal to minus 3 into z minus 1, z by z minus 1 minus z by z minus 1 whole square plus 4 into z by z minus 2. So applying z inverse on both the sets, we got z inverse of f of z is equal to minus 3 z power minus z inverse of z by z minus 1 minus z inverse of z by z minus 1 whole square plus 4 into z inverse of z by z minus 2. So now with the help of basic formulas, I can replace z by z minus 1 as 1 power n or only 1, and z by z minus 2 whole square as n, and z by z minus 2 as 2 power n. So finally we got the equation f of n is equal to minus 3 into 1 power n minus n plus 4 into 2 power n, or f of n will be equal to 4 into 2 power n minus n minus 3 is the required solution. Example number 3, find the z inverse of z square by z plus 2 into z square plus 4. So same thing here also. So take the equation f of z is equal to z square by z plus 2 z square plus 4. So take one z term to LHS. So we got f of z by z is equal to z by z plus 2 into z square plus 4. So now we'll be expanding this z by z plus 2 into z square plus 4 by using partial fractions method. So we got the equation like this, that is z by z plus 2 z square plus 4 is equal to a by z plus 2 plus bz plus c by z square plus 4. So taking LCM, we got z is equal to a into z square plus 4 plus bz plus c into z plus 2. So now our job is to find the values of ABC. So now I'll be replacing z is equal to minus 2 to find the value of a. So what will be getting? I'll be getting minus 2 is equal to a into 4 plus 4 plus bz plus c into 0. So we got a is equal to minus 1 by 4. So now put z is equal to 0. So we got 0 is equal to 4a plus 2c. It implies 0 is equal to minus 1 plus 2c. Because a is equal to minus 1 by 4, we got minus 1 over here. So c will be equal to 1 by 2 we got. So now I am taking, to find the value of b, so take all z square coefficients. So what we got? 0 is equal to a plus b, it implies b is equal to minus a we can get. So b will be equal to 1 by 4. So now replace all this ABC value in this equation. So what will be getting? Z by z plus 2 into z square plus 4 is equal to minus 1 by 4 by z plus 2 plus 1 by 4z plus 1 by 2 by z square plus 4. So we got f of z by z is equal to minus 1 by 4 into 1 by z plus 2 plus 1 by 4 into z by z square plus 4 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by z square plus 4. So shifting this z to LHS, so we got RHS, we got f of z is equal to minus 1 by 4 z by z plus 2 plus 1 by 4 z square by z square plus 4 plus 1 by 2 z by z square plus 4. So now I am going to apply z inverse on both the sides. So we got z inverse of f of z is equal to minus 1 by 4 into z inverse of z by z plus 2 plus 1 by 4 into z inverse of z square by z square plus 4 plus 1 by 2 into z inverse of z by z square plus 4. So applying the formulas, so we got f of n is equal to minus 1 by 4 into minus 2 whole power n plus 1 by 2 into 2 power n cos n pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 2 power n minus 1 sin n pi by 2. So simplifying this, we got f of n is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 2 power n plus 1 by 4 2 power n cos n pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 2 power n sin n pi by 2. Or we can write like f of n is equal to, by taking 2 power n by 4 common factor, we got 2 power n by 4 into cos n pi by 2 plus sin n pi by 2 into minus 1 power n is the required solution. Thank you.